First off, thank you so much to the brand for sending over this organic foot balm. It's almost finishing up winter where I am, but I have really, really cracked dry heels, dry hands, so I really wanted something that could help with this. And it's advertised as ancient Greek remedy organic foot balm moisturizer, and I'm going to show it to you here. So this is what it looks like out of the box, and it's 3.4 ounces. And concentrated, and the ingredients are organic, and it's supposed to be for cracked, rough, dry feet and heels. So you just open it nice and easy, and you can see here my hands are a little bit I've already used it on this, but look, I get really dry, cracked skin here, and I also get dry, cracked skin here on my heels. So I've already put the cream here, and it's already made such a difference there. So I'm going to show you here. I'm just going to put it on my foot here. So you really only need a pea size amount. So when it comes out a little bit more than that. So you're just going to be careful. This is what it's going to look like. And it reminds me, it just smells like essential oils, if you will. It's really not strong at all. It has a pretty mild scent. And it is a little greasy because it is 100% oils. So then you're just going to put it on the dry skin there. A little bit goes a really long way because it is a little bit greasy and oily, just because the fact it is made up with essential oils. I love that the ingredients are organic and is good for 12 months in this bottle. So if you were in the market, and again, I've been using this also on my cracked hands. It's not advertised as that. This is more advertised as a foot cream, but I've been using it to help with the cracked skin on my hands as well. And it's been really a great thing to have. So if this is something you're looking for to help dry feet, heels, whatever it may be, definitely go check this out.